Hello everyone, Silverconundrum here, and guess what? I finally got my packages in today. The ones I've been telling you guys about for the last 2 freaking weeks. Look at this. I ordered these, I want to say right around the 20th, maybe the 19th of this month. He shipped them out to me, and they finally arrived. They were supposed to have been here yesterday, but, well, you know how the post office is. Nothing's guaranteed anymore. But, nonetheless, I want to take the time to show you guys how many items we're going to be doing a video on. And what's going to wind up happening is I'm not going to do all these at one time. We'll do individual videos for each coin. But I want you guys to see how many things that we wind up getting in the mail today. So with that being said, I'm going to cut into the top layer of this right here and pray to God I don't nick anything, because that will be a bad day. In case you guys are wondering about the Mrs. Conundrum, she's actually in here with me to make sure that I don't claim anything that doesn't belong to me. Mrs. Conundrum, say hello. Oh, she ain't saying nothing. She's just giving me the look. Okay, I understand. So when I claim her stuff, that means that she will not be getting a chance to say nothing to it. So, with that being said, guys, look at all this stuff right here. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at all this, guys. Look. Oh, let's see what we got here. Make sure there's no paperwork that has my information on it, because you know how that goes. So, like, we have one right here. This is the Plague Doctor mask.
That's mine. Oh,
there she spoke up now. Then we have a Nefertiti. And then we have a Celtic calendar. We have another, what is this one? This is Clint, the greatest of artists. If you guys don't know, this one right here, this coin right here is the Mona Lisa. And I am going to show this to you guys eventually. But I just want to show you guys the amount of items that I've actually got in the mail. And I got 2 Zheng Feis. If you guys don't know what that is, well, you're going to find out. I bought one for me and one to sell later, because I have a feeling that this coin right here is going to be a hot item. So, with that being said, guys, I just want you all to see what in the world we have to show you guys. This is going to be an awesome day. So let's just get into some of this. I don't want to cut this one because I don't know how the box is set up. But what we are going to do is just open this one up very slowly.
Just the tip.
Yep, just the tip. We'll cut off just the tip of it. It won't be too painful, I hope. But nonetheless, this is Conundrum and all her jokes. That's right. So, anyway, as you guys can tell, I am super excited about what we have here. And this has just been one of those days where I have been just waiting to get into this stuff. So, what we're going to do is just get into this one. As you can see, it's the same style packaging. And what I'm going to do is just set it down right here and give you guys just a little taste of what we're going to be doing later. So, these are all the coins I have been telling you guys about that I've purchased, and I cannot wait to open them for you guys. Everybody have a great day, and until next time, well, guess what? Then we'll start showing off these coins. Everybody, catch you later. Oh, by the way, don't forget, in 2021 this year, I will be doing giveaways on any random video. All you have to do is be subscribed to the channel. You must leave a comment, otherwise I can't enter you in the contest, sorry. And then the other thing you have to do is just wait. That's it. And I have to verify you, by the way, just so you know. So even if you do leave a comment, and I can't verify that you are a member that actually subscribed to me, well, I'm moving on to the next person. And there's also going to be 24 hours from the time the winner's posted to claim your prize. And you never know what you're going to get. You could get anything from a piece of copper. You get a penny, a very special penny. But you can get a penny all the way up to literally at least a 10th ounce gold coin. You can get a 1/5 ounce piece of gold, platinum, palladium. You never know what the world I'm going to give away this year. Because you guys have been so good to me. Well, guess what? I'm returning the favor. But you'll never know when I'm going to do a giveaway. So always leave a comment. Anyway, guys, now I'll catch y'all later. See y'all next time.